Can you guess what the result is from that face? Look at the face.
Morning. And it's just not looking right. And on top of that, he's got a big calendar here for the year.
Yeah.
And it's got some OnlyFans stuff over tits out as the cover. Yo, I can't make this up, and it just smelled funny in there. We're thinking, nah, man, I'm making sure I made sure I wore 2 layers of gloves going. Okay.
Backwards and backwards to take it out. So put on the bed light. Good, mate.
So you say, Ty, you got us out here, the pitch black in it. Yeah. Well, you say you better pass, you know, bro, yeah? Alright, man, I believe in you still, and I believe you can do it, yeah? Alright, let's see how it go then, bro, yeah?
Watch this, driving instructor, locksmith, pass rate high, that mean me no miss, flexible with me time, gymnastic. Welcome to my driving school. Let me teach you the driving rule. No matter if you tick or you fool. Don't stress, just
Yeah, chilling now, waiting at the test center. He should do well still. This is his second attempt, so fingers crossed. Yeah? So it's been out there for a while now still. Half an hour to be exact. So look, this man gonna be passing behind me anytime now. Look, that's him there. Right there, look at that. Alright, I hope him passing now. Yeah. Yeah, man, watch at that. Look at that face, man. Can you guess what the result is from that face? Look at the face. Yo, you come and tell them the result yourself, boss. Come tell them the result yourself, boss. So what's the result, boss?
Results passed.
Alright, so alright, yeah.
Let me come on and hold up.
Yeah, man.
I pass.
Yeah, alright. So listen now, look after your license, bro, and I'll see you around, yeah? Respect, yeah? Yeah, bless. Seen? Look more, yeah?